Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's super important in psychology, but often overlooked: animal ethics. When researchers study animals to learn about behavior, intelligence, or even emotions, they have to make some tough choices. Is it okay to study an elephant's memory if it means changing its daily routine? What about seeing how monkeys interact with toys? Could that cross an ethical line? But animal ethics isn't just about what experiments we do, it's also about how we care for the animals every day. Two huge topics here are feeding and housing. Proper feeding is essential. Animals need diets that match their natural needs, not just for their health, but to make sure their behavior in studies is normal and reliable. If an animal is hungry, stressed, or malnourished, it can totally change the results of a psychological experiment. Housing matters just as much. Animals need enough space, comfort, and stimulation to express natural behaviors. Cramped or barren cages can cause stress, anxiety, and even abnormal behaviors, which not only harms the animal, but also makes research findings less valid. Let's look at a different kind of elephant study: Fagen, Acharya, and Kaufman's 2014 research on positive reinforcement training for trunk washes in Nepal's working elephants. Instead of using traditional, sometimes harsh training methods, the researchers used positive reinforcement, rewarding elephants with treats and praise when they cooperated. This humane approach not only made the process less stressful for the elephants, but also showed that animals can learn complex tasks without fear or punishment. Ethically, this is a big deal. Using positive reinforcement respects the animal's well-being and dignity, and it challenges us to rethink how we interact with animals in research. Even if we're not poking or prodding, our presence has an impact. That's a big ethical question. How much is too much when it comes to observing animals for science? Now, Hassett's monkey toy preference study is another classic. Scientists gave male and female monkeys different toys, things like trucks and dolls, to see if their play matched patterns we see in humans. The results? Male monkeys played more with boy toys and females with girl toys. But here's the ethical dilemma. Do the monkeys really have a choice? Are we forcing them into roles or exposing them to stress just to satisfy human curiosity? So here's the big idea. Research with animals can teach us a ton about psychology, but every experiment has a cost. It's not just about what we learn, but how we treat the animals we study. As future psychologists, or just thoughtful humans, it's up to us to ask, is the knowledge worth the potential harm? That's what animal ethics is all about. Thanks for thinking it through with me today.